Africa is rising. And this is more than a slogan. Across the continent, nations are investing billions in infrastructure, technology, and urban development, transforming ancient landscapes into modern cityscapes. These mega-projects are not just about construction, they're bold statements of intent, laying the foundations for a new future. Today, we'll explore 7 of the most impressive ongoing mega-projects, each a testament to Africa's power and potential. From Egypt's deserts to Ethiopia's highlands, we'll witness futuristic cities, colossal dams, and sprawling transport networks stitching the continent together. These are the arteries of a new Africa, ready to take its place on the world stage. Stay with us to the end for a project so ambitious it could elevate an entire nation into a new global hub. Let's dive in. On the edge of Cairo, Egypt's new administrative capital is rising from the desert. A city designed to relieve Cairo's congestion and redefine the nation's future. Spanning over 700 square kilometers, it's planned to house more than 6 million residents with government ministries, embassies, and corporate headquarters at its core. The city's centerpiece, the iconic tower, will be Africa's tallest skyscraper, a symbol of Egypt's aspirations. Beneath its streets, fiber optic cables and smart infrastructure promise seamless connectivity and security. The Green River, a vast central park, will wind through the city, offering twice the space of New York's Central Park and blending monumental architecture with ecological mindfulness. Critics question the cost and the risk of creating an elite enclave, but the momentum is undeniable. Cranes fill the skyline and thousands of workers are building a new reality. This is more than relocation, it's a strategic repositioning of Egypt's political and economic heart. The new administrative capital is a statement of national pride and a belief that Egypt can engineer a more prosperous future. It's an attempt to build new history alongside ancient monuments. The world watches as this pharaonic project unfolds, a city for the 21st century emerging from the timeless desert. Whether it achieves its utopian goals remains to be seen, but as a feat of planning and engineering, it's unparalleled in Africa. The challenges are immense, but so is the vision. Egypt is betting big on a new beginning, constructed piece by monumental piece. This city is a bold declaration. The future is being built now. Under the Egyptian sun, a new legacy is taking shape. The transformation is underway. South of Nairobi, Kenya is building Konza Technopolis, the Silicon Savannah. Unlike a new capital, Konza is a city of ideas, designed to be Africa's tech and innovation hub. On 5,000 acres, it's becoming home to data centers, software labs, universities, and startups. The goal: attract global tech firms, nurture local talent, and create a cycle of investment and innovation. With robust digital infrastructure, smart grids, and water management, Konza is a living laboratory for urban technology. The city is projected to generate tens of thousands of jobs and boost Kenya's GDP, shifting the economy from agriculture to high-tech services. Partnerships with universities ensure a steady stream of skilled graduates, linking learning with industry. Building a city from scratch in the savannah is challenging. Water, power, and attracting residents are hurdles. Yet, Konza stands as a beacon for Africa's future, investing in the ingenuity of its people. As the first buildings rise, Konza signals a new narrative: Africa as a creator and innovator in the digital age. The Silicon Savannah is not just a dream, it's becoming reality. Kenya is betting on brains, not just bricks. On Tanzania's coast, the Bagamoyo Port Project is set to transform East African trade. North of Dar es Salaam, Bagamoyo will be one of Africa's largest deep-water ports, handling up to 20 million containers a year, dwarfing current regional capacity. The port is part of a broader economic ecosystem, including a vast special economic zone to attract manufacturing, logistics, and industry. New railways and highways will connect Bagamoyo to Tanzania's heartland and landlocked neighbors, opening efficient gateways to global markets. The project has faced delays and complex negotiations, but its strategic importance is clear. East Africa's rapid growth demands new infrastructure, and Bagamoyo is designed to break the bottleneck stifling trade. If completed, it will be a game-changer for Tanzania and the region, unleashing investment and lifting millions out of poverty. The world shipping industry is watching closely. Bagamoyo is more than a port. It's a bold claim on Africa's maritime future. The stakes are high, but so is the potential. Tanzania is positioning itself as East Africa's logistics powerhouse. The tides of global commerce are shifting toward Africa's shores. In Nigeria, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Railway is redefining movement across Africa's most populous nation. Stretching 1,400 kilometers along the coast, this railway connects Lagos to Calabar, linking key cities, ports, and industrial zones. It's a critical upgrade from Nigeria's congested road network, promising faster, safer, and more efficient transport for goods and people. The railway will boost trade, make manufacturing more competitive, and help farmers reach urban markets quickly. Thousands of jobs are being created as the line crosses challenging terrain, requiring bridges and viaducts. The project is being built in segments, delivering benefits as each section opens. It's a generational vision demanding sustained investment and political will. More than infrastructure, it's a symbol of Nigeria's potential and unity. As trains begin to roll, they carry the promise of a more connected and prosperous Nigeria. The steel spine of the nation is taking shape. In Ethiopia's highlands, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, stands as Africa's largest hydroelectric project. Towering over the Blue Nile, GERD will more than double Ethiopia's electricity output, powering industry and exporting energy to neighbors. Financed largely by Ethiopians, the dam is a symbol of national pride and self-reliance. For Ethiopia, GERD is the key to development, modernizing agriculture and improving lives. But the dam is also a source of tension with Egypt and Sudan, who fear for their water supply. Years of negotiations have yet to resolve how the dam will be managed. The filling of the reservoir is a delicate process, watched by the world. GERD is both a force for progress and a test of regional diplomacy. It's a powerful symbol of Ethiopia's ambition to harness its resources and shape its destiny. The stakes, both for power and peace, are immense. The Lapset Corridor, Lamu Port South Sudan Ethiopia Transport, is East Africa's most ambitious infrastructure web. Anchored by a new deep-water port at Lamu, Kenya, it aims to open up the region's vast, underdeveloped north. Highways and railways will link Lamu to Ethiopia and South Sudan, creating a seamless flow of goods from coast to hinterland. Oil pipelines will give landlocked South Sudan and Ethiopia new export routes, reducing reliance on existing corridors. Lapset also includes resort cities, airports, and a refinery, aiming to stimulate tourism, trade, and manufacturing. The project faces huge challenges: financing, cross-border coordination, and security, but its logic is compelling. It diversifies trade, fosters cooperation, and unlocks economic potential in marginalized regions. Each completed section brings the vision closer to reality. Lapset is a powerful example of African nations shaping their own integrated future. The corridor promises to transform East Africa for generations. It's a new artery for growth and connection. The journey has just begun. In Ethiopia, a new mega airport near Bishoftu is set to redefine Africa's place in global aviation. With a projected capacity of over 100 million passengers annually, it will rival the world's largest airports. The airport will anchor an aerotropolis, a city built around aviation with hotels, malls, logistics parks, and more. Ethiopian Airlines, already Africa's largest carrier, will use this hub to connect continents, capturing transfer traffic between Asia, Europe, the Americas, and Africa. Multiple runways and state-of-the-art terminals will handle both passengers and cargo, expanding Ethiopia's role as a logistics powerhouse. The project's scale is immense, requiring billions in investment and years of planning. Its strategic location at the crossroads of continents is key to the vision. Challenges remain: financing, technical complexity, and environmental impact, but the ambition is clear. Bishoftu International Airport is a bold leap into the future. If successful, it will fuel Ethiopia's growth and serve as Africa's gateway to the world. This is the ultimate mega project, one that could turn a nation into a global hub. The sky is no longer the limit. From new capitals and ports to tech cities and transformative transport, Africa's mega projects are reshaping its future. These are more than investments in steel and concrete. They're investments in dreams and potential. The challenges are immense, but the momentum is real. A new Africa is rising, built by the hands and minds of its people. Which project impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on global developments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.